I can't believe I'm sitting in my garage waiting for my software update to be installed. What has become of me? Hey everyone, it's Dave here, another Nerdy Canuck. And here in Canada, we are just getting the option for the full self-driving beta. It's coming in the form of update 2022.4.5.4. I've just installed it on my Tesla and the car is rebooting. And once it fires back up, we're going to opt into full self-driving beta. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed that the audio did not work on my GoPro. So you can't hear the sounds of the car whirring up and coming back to life. But here it is. All right, so we've come back to life here. We've got my screen showing up in the charging because it's topping up the charge because it was at 89%, and I have my daily charge limit set at 90. If I press the control, I can go to the software and check out the release notes. You'll see the top option on 2022.4.5.4 is the request full self-driving beta. I'm so excited with this. I've been waiting so long and watching with a great deal of, dare I say, jealousy of the people who have it in the States, and am so pumped it came this early to Canada. To begin the install, we're going to go to Controls, Autopilot, and then select the full self-driving beta. Once we go to Controls, select the full self-drive beta opt-in, we get a bunch of warnings, very important warnings. I find it hard to believe that there are many people who are claiming that they didn't know that the car was not full self-driving when you have to individually acknowledge each of these requirements and accept them. So it says I'm enrolled in the full self-driving beta queue. The next stage in this process is to take the vehicle out for a little bit of a spin. So here I go. And I'm not going to take you for this whole drive. I'm just going to fast forward through some of it, and I'll come back to my house. It was about a maybe 10-minute drive.
So after you've gone for your drive, about an hour or two later, when you scroll down your app, you'll have a new feature, Safety Score Beta. So if you tap on that, it's going to provide you with your safety score. However, mine failed. That's interesting. I hope that's not a reflection on my driving.
That makes the end of this video. I don't have any more time. I got to go to bed and get up and go to work in the morning. If you have any ideas about why that page failed alarm came in or how I can fix it, I would really appreciate it. I hope to have some updated full self-driving beta videos for you in the near future. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks so much.